Alright everybody, this is Drew. Welcome today. We're going to look at a little issue I had the other day. And I'll show you a little problem and how I got around it the other So I had to I had to remove the last three spark plugs in the back of the motor here on my 2004 Rendezvous 3400, you can see. Alright, so to do this you have to pull the motor forward. Bring this motor. So what we do is remove the motor mounts, and then what they suggest is that you pull the motor from this clip to here and you jack the motor forward with some sort of device, whether it be a ratchet strap or rope and pulley or whatever you're going to use, and then you secure it that way. However, the other day when I dropped a tool underneath the car, and as I was climbing off the stool and cussing my tool laying in the middle of the car, when I got crawled up underneath there, I got to looking at it, and I thought to myself, well, why can't we just push that motor where we want it? Why do we have to pull it? So this is what I did. I took a block of wood and a scissor jack right here. This block of wood with the rabbit on it. Okay. Brought it underneath the car here. I set this contraption up here. Right here. Oh, the transmission pad. So this is what we did. Took a block of wood, put it here, jacked it up, picked the back of the motor up from here, and I jacked it up. This turned the motor forward on the same pivot. Okay, I left the jack in place, of course, which helped hold it and gave me some bottom stability. And I came up here and I tied my safety strap in here, and I didn't have to rely on this as a holding point. So shit. Anyway, do that again. Anyway, that's what we did. Probably shouldn't be smoking on the video. Don't smoke, kids. It's no good for you. Alright. Anyway, right now I'm charging the battery up. It's out a little bit. But that's my tip for the day. On your 2004 Rendezvous, your 3400 series motors, if you have to move the motor forward to get to everything, of course you have to take this stuff out. Of course I lost the screw, so I had to replace it. Why not, right? Anyway, we got it back together again. The son of a bitch actually runs. Anyway, that's my tip for the day. Well, this is probably a weird video. I've moved the phone all kinds of ways and jerked around, but you guys know I don't do any video editing as of yet, so you get to see me in all of my glory. Alright, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next video.